Hello students, today here we will discuss class 4 English lesson 5, the letter activity number 1, 2 and 3. Let's first see what's given in activity number 1. In activity number 1, it is given write the rhyming words from the poem. Here we are asked to write the rhyming word of the following 6 words from the poem. The words are host, press, song, meet, sing, hen. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. So, what is rhyming word? Two or more words which have similar ending sound is called rhyming words. Okay, students. So, now let's find out the rhyming words of the following words from the poem and write it down. The first word is host. So now let's see for the rhyming word for host in the poem. I am writing a letter to send by the post. So listen carefully. Host, post. Both words have same end sound. So we will write post as one rhyming word for host. We have to write two rhyming words. So let's see again. It is to the person I care for the most. Now notice this word most. Host, post, most. All the three words have similar ending sound. So post and most are rhyming word for the word host. Okay, students? Next word is press. Let's find its rhyming words from the poem. Let's read the second stanza. I write the date clearly and put the address. Now notice this word address. Press, address. So address is the first rhyming word for press. Again, let's read it. And begin. Dearest mummy, did anyone guess? Now notice the word guess. Guess and press. Both have similar end sound. So we can say address and guess are the two rhyming words for the word press. Okay, students? Now the third word is song. Let's find its rhyming words from the poem. Let's read the third stanza. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet. Now notice this word long. Song, long. So long is a rhyming word for song as both have same end sound. And after going through this poem, we cannot find any other word that rhyme with song. So we will write only one word, that is long. Next word is meet. So let's find the rhyming word of meet from the poem. Let's read the third stanza. My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet. Listen to the word carefully. Sheet. Meet, sheet. So sheet is the first rhyming word for the word meet. Let's continue reading. Because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. Listen to the word carefully. Neat. Here neat is the second rhyming word for the word meet. Meet, neat. So the rhyming word for the word meet are sheet and neat. Next word is sink. Let's find the rhyming word for sink in the poem. Let's read the fourth stanza. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Listen to the word carefully. Ink. Sink, ink. So both have same and sound. So ink is the first rhyming word for sink. Let's continue reading. Such nice blotting paper. The color is pink. Now notice this word pink. So pink and sink both have same end sound. So pink is also a rhyming word of sink. So ink and pink are the rhyming word for sink. The last word is hen. So let's find the rhyming words for hen from the poem. Let's read the fifth stanza. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Listen to the word carefully. Pen. Hen, pen. So both have same end sound and pen is the first rhyming word for hen. Let's continue reading. Till lastly come kisses. There's just room for 10. Listen to the word carefully. 10. Hen, 10. So both have same end sound and 10 is the second rhyming word for hen. So the rhyming words for hen given in the poem are pen and 10. Okay students, is it clear? Now let's read the rhyming words once again. Host, post, most, press, address, guess, song, long, meet, sheet, neat, sink, ink, pink, hen, pen, ten. Okay students, write these rhyming words in your notebook and try to read them at home. Now let's see what is given in activity number 2. In activity number 2, it is given choose the correct answer. Here 4 questions are given from the poem and each of the question have 4 options. Here you are asked to choose the correct answer from the 4 options. Question A. The letter is written to the girls. Option father, mother, uncle, aunt. What will be the correct answer? Let's see the poem. Look at the second stanza. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin. Dearest Mummy. Here, look at the word. Dearest Mummy. Mummy means mother. So the correct option will be number 2, mother. So take the number 2 option. Question B. To dry up the ink, I use option an eraser, some chalk, some blotting paper, a piece of cloth. Now let's see in the poem what will be the correct option. Look at the fourth stanza. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper, the color is pink. Here, look at the word blotting paper. Here it is written, such nice blotting paper. It means the girl blotted the ink with some blotting paper. Okay? So, answer for B number question is option 3. Some blotting paper. Take option number 3. Question C. How many kisses does the letter have room for? Options are 11, 8 on, 9, 10. Let's find out the answer from the poem. Look at the fifth stanza. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Till lastly come kisses. There's just room for 10. Notice the word there, 10. So, how many kisses does the letter have space for or room for? How many kisses? 10. Yes. So, you tick the fourth option. Question D. The meaning of room in the poem is, options are study room, space, drawing room, a part within a house. Student, in the earlier question, I have already said the meaning of the word room. Can you recall? Yes?
Space, sir.
Good. The meaning of word room in the poem is space. So you tick the second option, space. Okay students, write the second activity in your notebook. Now let's see the last activity of the day, activity 3. Listen and repeat. Here you are asked to listen to the words and sentences carefully and repeat the words and sentences after me. A. Slowly. The old man walks slowly. B. Quickly. The young girl walks quickly. C. Brightly. The sun shines brightly. D. Sweetly. The bird sings sweetly. E. Happily. The girl dances happily. Okay, students, try to read this word and sentences formed by the words at home. Now, you are asked to write the sentences from the poem that end with ly. Let's first find out the sentences that end with ly from the poem. Let's read the poem. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin. Dearest Mummy, did anyone guess? My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper, the color is pink. I turn the page over and on goes my pen till lastly come kisses. There's just room for 10. The envelope's ready. I put the stamp on and run to the post box, and now it has gone. Students, while reading the poem, I have made boxes over the sentences that ends with ly. Look at the picture. The sentences are, I write the date clearly and my pen travels slowly. Now, write the two sentences in the space provided below. Number 1, I write the date clearly. Number 2, my pen travels slowly. Okay, students, is it clear? Write all the 3 activities in your notebook and go through the activities. It's all for today. Thank you, everybody.